Okay, class. Good day. So next we have the next topic. We will have the plumbing fixtures. So this is used uh, in our houses or in commercial buildings and other types of buildings. Okay. So for the plumbing fixture definitions, it is a receptacle which are used to provide, receive, and discharge water, liquid, and water carried wastes into a drainage system with which they are connected to. And then for the classification, there are soil plumbing fixture, scullery, and the bathing fixtures. For soil or the waste line or the waste waste system for plumbing or the waste fixtures, you have here water closets, the urinal, and the slope sinks. For slope sinks class, sometimes that is called a mop sink or service sink. In maybe in mall CR, you have see that in there are maps for that particular area. They put their maps in the slop sink. Okay, and then you have the scullery, which is the kitchen sink, the laundry tub, and the bar sink. This is for the drainage, okay, drainage line fixtures, and also the bathing for drainage line fixtures. You have the lavatories, the bathtubs, shower baths, bidet, foot tub or seat tub, shower receptors, and shower compartments. Okay, so let's have the soil fixtures. So it conveys organic body waste to the plumbing system. Okay, so these are the water closets. No? Water closets convey organic body waste to the plumbing system. And according to type of flushing, you have the flush tank water closet and the direct flush valve water closet. You have there in the picture that is flushing action can be obtained directly from a flush valve connected into the valve. Okay, so there are also water closet that have not that they have not connected the flushing valves. No? Okay, according to flush tank type, you have integral flush tank. Then you have the closed couple flush tank and the low flush tank and the high flush tank. Okay, so this is the integral flush tank and closed couple flush tank. This is the low flush tank and this is for the high flush tank. Okay, and also we have according to mounting, so how they install the water closet. First is we have the floor mounted. It is directly laid to the floor, and then you can have the wall hang. Okay, you can design this type of water closet. Okay, and then according to the flushing action, you have the wash down. So you have here the water closet sections. So flush down meaning from the flush tank going down and then to your drainage or waste line. Okay, so flushes through a simple wash down action. So from the flush tank going down. Okay, so it discharges waste into a trapway located at the front of the valve. So this is the trapway. Then has a bulge on the front and has a small amount of standing water. This is the standing water. And cost less but least efficient and noises. So when you flush this type of water closet, it is very noise when flushing, like in the noise that you flushed in the airplane when you use the toilet and bathroom, or when you use the comfort room of the airplane. Okay. Next is the reverse trap. Okay. So this is the flush tank, and then the water goes down and then go back to the passageway. Okay, so that is called the reverse trap. Flushes through a siphon action created in the trapway. So from this water tank, flush tank, down and go back to the passageway. Next is the siphon jet. Almost the same with the uh, reverse trap. Has a larger trapway. Okay. And has a larger trapway, making it less likely to clog. Okay. Since in the trapway for the reverse trap, this is just 2 inches. Here in the siphon jet, that is 2 and 5/8 inches. Okay, and quieter flushing action, so that they didn't know the that you use the toilet and bathroom. It's because when you flush the toilet, it is quieter. Then retain a large amount of standing water. So you have the standing water. Next, we have the siphon vortex. So same with the idea, you have the flush tank here and then goes down and go back to the passageway. So less noisy and very efficient. Flushing action is started by a whirlpool. Okay, so this is the commonly used now in water closet design. Create a whirlpool motion followed by a complete flush down. Okay, so there are voids here in at the top of the water closet to create whirlpool motion, and then you flush the uh, toilet. Okay? Then retain a large amount of standing water, since the area or the volume for this water closet is bigger. Okay? Next is direct flush valve. So flushing action is obtained directly from a flush valve connected into the bowl. So this is commonly see or used in malls. You have the flush valve above the water closet. So this is the direct flush valve. Okay, so there are other types of water closet. You have the squat type. I don't think if it is used as of today. Maybe you can see this in the movies or in Japan or Korea. Maybe they use this type of water closet. And the washout. So this is the washout. No water tank in, or no flush tank at the back of the water closet. Okay. So this is the diagram of the water closet. Okay, so you just download the slides, and then you go through with this diagram on how the connection and the parts of the water closet is connected. Okay, also this one. So you have there in the flush tank the float bowl. The use of this is to stop the water flow from the water distribution. Okay, so it goes up and down. And then this is the tank outlet going to your water closet. Okay, so you just go through with this picture or the diagram. So there are minimum requirements for the water closets. So it depends on the occupancy of the building. Okay, so or also and the usage of the building. Okay, so you just go through with this minimum requirement. It depends on the occupancy, and this is the minimum requirement for water closet. So let's have the schools. No, if ever you have the schools for elementary school for 21 to 50 students, so it should have be at least 2 water closet for 21 to 50 person. Okay. So if family dwelling, no, in your building, so at least you have 1 water closet for a family. But in the design now, maybe there should always be 2 toilet and bathroom for 2-story and maybe 1 for a 1-story building. Okay, next we have the urinals. Okay, so for the type of urinals, you have the wall hang, the pedestal, you have the wall hang, the pedestal, then the through and stall. Okay, so in sitting for urinals, urinal center to center wall should have at least a minimum distance of 0.3 meters. And urinal center to urinal center, it should have at least a minimum of 0.6 meter. So from the urinal to a wall, you have your center of your urinal to a wall, it should have at least 30 centimeter, no? 30 centimeter, okay? And then for urinal to urinal, it should have a distance of at least 60 centimeter or 0.6 meters. Okay, for the flushing of urinal shall be done through automatic flushing tanks. Like in malls, they have the automatic flushing tank, and also they have automatic urinals flush. Okay, and then flushometer valve shall be self-closing type, discharging a predetermined quantity of water. No manually controlled flushometer valve shall be used to flush group urinals. So this is found in the National Plumbing Code section 408-.2. Okay, so this is the waterless urinal works. Okay, so sometimes you encounter this type of urinals, you are confused on how how it works, even if there are no water involved. So a cartridge act as funnel. The non-stick, non-porous construction and funnel ensure urine passes through or passes through the cartridge and through sealant liquid, this one, that floats on the top of the liquid beneath it. Sealant liquid provides an airtight barrier between urine restroom to prevent odor from escaping the drain. So this is also called the trap seal, but allows urine to pass through because it is lighter than water. So urine penetrates the sealant liquid and flows to the drain. Uric sediments is collected by the cartridge. Maybe there is the cartridge here, possible. Then leaving an odor-free environment, clean pipes, and absolutely no water waste. So that's how the waterless urinal works. Okay, in some In some malls, they use waterless urinal, and sometimes they use sorry, automatic flush drain, automatic flush urinals. Okay. Also, they have the minimum requirements based on the National Plumbing Code. So you go through with these minimum requirements. So next we have the scullery fixtures. So first we have the kitchen sinks. So for the material, maybe you can have the stainless steel, the cast iron enamel, then you can have form steel coated with porcelain enamel. Or sometimes you just have the concrete form for kitchen sink. Okay. So single or double or triple, shallow and deep well, or etc. So for shallow and deep well kitchen sinks, this is used in mostly in restaurants. Okay, so this one, single or double or triple, shallow and deep well, or etc. So another scullery fixture is laundry tubs. The materials is cement or cement with tiles, or you can have porcelain, or maybe they have also aluminum or stainless steel laundry tubs. So it depends. Next, we have the slope sink or service sink, or sometimes they called it as mop sink. So disposal of scrub water, deep sink to accommodate the or a scrub pail. Sometimes the mop is put in the slope sink. Next is the bar sink. So this is used in bars. By the way, in slope sink, this is where the janitors clean and leave their mops. And then you have here the bar sink. This is the bar sink. Next, we have the lavatory, under also in the scullery fixture, lavatories or wash basin. You have the pedestal type, and then the pullman or counter type, and then the wall hang. So the commonly used type of lavatory is the wall hang and the through. Okay, next you have the bathtub and whirlpool bath. So for bathtubs, it's not the same as the whirlpool bath, but they have this the same usage, but it's not the same. Okay. So with removable panel and sufficient dimension to access pumps, the circulation pump shall be located above the crown weir of the trap. So it depends on the design also of your bathtubs. And then pump and circulation piping shall be self-draining. And then you have the jacuzzis, brand name of luxury type bathtubs. Next, we have bidet. Okay. This is used for cleaning private parts. Usually, the this is used for cleaning private parts. So normally, only female can use this bidet. So you cannot see a bidet in this type now, since our bidet now is just the water hose, water hose connected from the water distribution, and then you just wash your private part on the water closet. Okay, but in some cases, in the other buildings, they have this kind of fixtures, which is the bidet. So this is used only for female occupants in that particular area or room. Okay, since this is used only for cleaning private parts, and then sometimes referred to as female urinals. Okay, for the seating, you have bidet centered to side. You have a minimum of at least 0.375 meters. And then from center to center of bidet, that is 0.75 meters. Okay, then you have the floor drains. So with approved type hinge strainer plate having the sum of the areas of a small hole of the waterway equal to the cross-sectional area of the tailpiece. So you know already what is a floor drain. It should always be located in the floors in toilet and bathroom. Okay? Provided with integrally cast water stop outside flange around the body at mid-depth and with and inside caulk outside to provide a watertight joint in the floor. Okay. Next, we have the shower receptor. Receptor floors shall drain not less than 2% or more than 4% slope. Since our slope requirement for from the national or based from the national plumbing code is 2%. Okay. And by the way, if you have a shower receptor in your toilet and bathroom, you should have at least shower drain and the floor drain to the water flows from the water closet area. Since shower receptor is a closed area, so you can have another drain which is called the shower drain. The threshold shall accommodate of a minimum 559 millimeter wide door. Okay, since shower receptor is another part of the toilet and bathroom, if you are to enclose your shower, so you should have the shower receptors. And then for wheelchair use, dam or curb may be eliminated. Okay, so you have also shower baths or compartments. So you have here the shower bath. So for this compartment, this is called the shower bath. For this type, this is the shower receptor. Okay, so metal enclosure containing shower heads, shower bulbs, and faucet shall have a minimum interior area of 0.6 square meters and shall be capable of encompassing a 762 millimeter diameter circle. So at least one person can occupy in this shower bath. Okay. This area shall be maintained from a point above the shower drain or the shower receptor to a height of at least 1.7 meters with no protrusions other than the fixture valve, shower head, and the safety grab rails. And also the drain for gang shower room shall be spaced not more than 4.9 meter apart. Okay, so that's all for the plumbing fixture. Thank you and see you to the next discussion.